shaver, because I've realized that I believe that the battery has worn out because I have to charge quite often. And this is how it looks like. This is where you charge your shaver. It goes inside a little device here with the transformer, a mini transformer, in order to bring down the voltage, and that will charge the battery. And this is a, if I can just see it, it's a naked battery. 2/3 AA size. The first time I see such thing as 2/3 AA size, 1.2 watt, 400 milliampere. And what it says here is that standard charge time is 15 hours. Yeah, at 40 milliampere. Well, if I have a 1 ampere, I think it's going to charge more faster. But now it's going through the same thing, that's the power source here, and just have to charge 15 hours. But usually I charge 2-3 hours and it is quite powerful. So right now what I want to do is go to a electronic shop, get the new battery, take this out and resolder back a new one. And then I have a good old battery and a good old shaver. This is actually a very good shaver. It has a mirror. Because it has a mirror, this is a very good old shaver. It gives you a mirror for you to look beautiful. There's a shaver for your beard and sideburns. There is a sideburn shaver. So this is the sideburn. Yeah, just open it up and it will shave on the side. Pretty good. And I bought it for about 28. It's quite cheap, 28, and it lasts me for more than 1 year already. So let's go. I'll be back. It seems like I don't have to solder the metal to the battery because it comes together as one set. And both sides already done for you. It has to be exact. The size is about 27 mm. I need a battery about 27 mm, or the max is 28 mm. Anything more than that I couldn't put it in with the shaver. Okay, so I gotta put it back together so I can use it tonight. Okay, this is the new one I just changed, so I'm just putting it back together. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.